The Youngone Corporation's Sector 3 is designed to serve some of its most integral clientele with a narrower and more focused strategic customer base. Established in 1998, the sector houses two of Youngone's specialized sportswear units, Titash Sportswear Industries Ltd and Lalmai Sportswear Industries Ltd. This is a specialized sector serving some of the company's biggest clients with a high-functioning capacity. Every morning, the sector's workforce of almost 10,000 gathers at the two factories. The specialized work is an ideal marriage between automation and human intervention. Because of the specialized nature of the work, every unit of the operation is brought under one sector. Automated laboratories ensure buyer standards by consistently testing fabrics, accessories, threads, and more. Such a robust vertical integration ensures an explosive capacity when such a need arises. Additionally, the workforce is constantly taken through trainings in different areas for both personal and professional development. Since inception, the sector has concluded over 100,000 hours of training in areas such as management, production skills development, security, public health, occupational safety, and the environment. But an ideal employee is one who is fulfilled in both their professional and personal lives. Youngone walks an extra mile to ensure the mental and physical well-being of its workforce. Employees have access to highly subsidized food at the in-house canteen, on-premise specialized health and medical services, counselors, and an active workers' committee bridging an effective and ongoing communication between workers and management. In collaboration with Mamata Bangladesh, Youngone has introduced microfinance booths at their offices. Employees can manage their transactions without having to leave work. Since inception, Youngone's Sector 3 has been exporting its professional sportswear to a number of countries around the world. As a pioneering technology leader that brings together the best of automation and human resources, this Youngone sector's products are relied upon by professional sports stars, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts all around the world.